What's going on, guys? The coding world here. And today we're going to be talking about accessibility. Sorry. Accessibility. What is accessibility? Well, it's like, usability. How well can you use a website or a given device? You probably think it's something that's in the back of your mind at all times, but you're not like thinking about it. Like when you go to your website, like, man, this kind of sucks to use, and you're like, that's exact accessibility. But also isn't just like that, it's also like thinking about like blind people or like deaf people. You gotta think about all those other things. So today I'm gonna show you a cool little accessibility analysis tool. I already told you what accessibility is, and then we're gonna go through what it is, and then go through some sites. So first off, the accessibility analysis tool, spoilers, is called Lighthouse, and this one I'm using. There's another one that we used in my one class called Wave. I hadn't personally used it yet, but I preferred Lighthouse because it worked. I couldn't get Wave to work. Lighthouse is an open source automated tool for improving the performance, quality, and correctness of your web apps. So pretty much you open up the thing, it's a Google extension, it's also in Firefox, and you run an audit on the site. And what the audit does, it tells you where the site needs improvements. It does a full stack run through the website. It also runs a barrage of tests against the page and then generates a report. So I am going to look at a couple of sites that you might use daily, that I use daily. Well, not daily. And do some Lighthouse reports. First one up is Grubhub. Grubhub is a food delivery site. You might have heard of it, seen it, used it. And I ran a Lighthouse report on that. And here it is. Performance 26. Actually has a pretty good accessibility rating, but it's really slow. Time to interact. Oh, it's really slow. And so the thing is, you run these reports, and if you're building your own website, here's unlocking the console. You can run this, and it'll tell you what it thinks you have wrong. So let's say you go to best practices, it does not use passive listeners to improve scrolling performance, and it had errors when logging to the console. And it gives you feedback on what to do, and you can work that into your own web app. Let's go to my school's website, and then you come over here, generate report. Takes a few minutes, few seconds, depends on how good the website is. How are y'all day? Leave a comment down below. How was your day? With the pandemic and stuff going on, that could be rough. So this is my school's website. I go to Penn State, and it has a 20 performance as well. Even lower than Grubhub, and the Grubhubs can be slow. Now let's look at the accessibility. So there are opportunities to improve. So I don't know what all these things are, but so let's say you were helping develop the site. You might run this audit and see background and foreground colors do not have sufficient contrast from SEO. So you can go into HTML, CSS, whatever they're using, content management system, and change it. And then there you run it again. These audits are really important because there are actually rules and regulations to how things have to be done and how accessible they have to be. And this can keep you following those rules and regulations, because if not, you can get sued. But overall, guys, that's pretty much it. You gotta stick to your I actually have a website real quick. I have a little WordPress site I was working on for another class. Let's run on here. Sorry, I kind of ended the video there, but don't worry, I'm interested. Taking you along for the ride. And Lighthouse couldn't even load the page. So that tells you something. Anyway, guys, Hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope you learned a little bit about accessibility and how to test your own websites. And other than that, have a good day.